Many of the locations that I've filmed are demolished or redeveloped into something more beneficial to the city or town that they were rotting in. There are many success stories about what some of these places have become, and just as many failures. I find it interesting how one can drive past a structure for decades, and when that structure is gone or changed, one can adapt to the new situation rather quickly, sometimes without even giving it a single thought. I'm going to follow up on a few of my favorite locations and let you decide what was more interesting. What is or what was?
out, man. I mean, this merch is like really sick.
Check me out, bro.